In this video, we'll show you how to fix transaction error in Phantom Wallet. Let's begin. So first thing that you need to ensure is that you have enough of the native token's currency. So if I go to swap, you have to make sure that you have enough SOL in order for the transaction to go through. Another thing that you can do is you can go to the top right there and then select the adjustment option. So here you can change the slippage settings. If the price changes more than the slippage tolerance, then the transaction is going to fail. So if the swap fails, then you can also try to choose another provider, because there are some providers that do not work all the time. So if that happens, you can simply switch to another one. So you can simply go to the bottom right and then select the explore option or the explore icon. Then here you can go to a different provider within the search bar, type in your provider, and then try to see if you can swap using that different provider. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.